Hacienda. So yeah, I'm outside the Hacienda. I think, let's have a look at that. James' first gig date on the 17th of November. So I'm going to go in and see if I can speak to any of the big heads from the Hacienda. Maybe check out the nightclub. What do you think? Let me in. Hello, hello. No one's letting me in the Hacienda. Come on. All those years ago, used to queue up here to come in. Hi. You alright? No, I'm not filming you, don't worry. Hello! Hello! So I'm inside the Hacienda. Christmas tree. Don't remember these lifts being here. Wow, man, oh wow! How warm is it? I'm finally in the Hacienda again after what? 30 odd years or whatever it is. Brilliant. Yeah. Where's the concierge? Where's the guy? Hello? Hello?
Am I okay?
Are you, yeah?
I'm the building manager, yeah.
Oh, Hacienda, can I go and see the nightclub?
The nightclub, there's no nightclub here, mate.
What?
It's on the apartments.
Didn't that keep the nightclub?
No, mate, this nightclub got knocked down.
I can't believe it, I can't believe it! What about Tony Wilson, Hooker, Bernard, did they live here?
Yeah, of course he did. yeah.
No, didn't live here now?
No, they don't live here now, no.
Oh, that's a shame, isn't it?
He missed out on the 40th anniversary.
Did I? When was that?
6 months ago.
Wow, and where did he have it?
Have it in lower ground and basement car park.
Oh, it's a shame about that. It would have been good to come here. I just thought I'd pop in. I used to come here back in the day when it was open. Did you ever come to it, mate? Oh, you're too young.
Too young, unfortunately.
Did you come to the 40th then?
I did, mate, yeah, I was here. Helped organise it. So what they say is that there,
oh yeah,
there's a bit of flooring left.
Wow.
Allegedly.
So yeah, it's the original dance floor, was it?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Alright, well thanks for that, it was informative. Cheers.
All the best.
This one, nice one. That was good. Hey? Pity I missed the 40th dinner, but that's me, I always miss everything. Right, let's get back on the bike and ride and have some more missions around this place.